Yes, welcome to Study Smart platform. Here is a tutorial guidelines for tutors handling CSC101. And as you all know, when you hear the word CSC, what comes to the mind of an average student is coding. so as a tutor handling this course, you have to be very, very vigilant and be careful the way you take the students. And this course is a course that introduces the freshers to the basic knowledge of computers and histories of computers. Now, for you as a tutor handling this course, there are so many things you need to know and to let the students know. And I can say this course is more or less like it's history and stories. It's more of stories and commands on computer. Now, students may be asked on things, on shortcuts of Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and some of those things that are needed in creating. And they will also be introduced to the computer interface. Maybe when you boot a computer, what comes up? Let's assume this is a computer. What do we call these things on computer? So these are the things that they need to know. How do they shut down self? Those things, they are important. What type of shortcuts do you need in creating a new page? How do you save a new page on computer? And so many other things about computer languages, computer systems rather, computer systems. So as a tutor, you just need a quality and precise slides. You have to prepare a good slide, and you may be lucky to get slides from those that have done it before, and get these slides, digest it, and give them as a tutorial. Then, not only that, as you are getting these slides, get past questions. Rigorous past questions, very, very important. Because there are so many questions they can ask these students on this topic, being the fact that it is more or less like a theory. So, you as a tutor, at the end of your video, make sure you always treat past questions. After you summarize your slide, treat at least maybe 10 to 20 questions. Let the student be familiarized with the way the questions comes in, so that they themselves will get themselves prepared. So, and always allow them to give you feedbacks. If there's anything they still want to know, or there's any area in the computer they don't understand, let them give you feedback in their comment section. So, thank you very much. See you next time.